Hi, this is your week 5 coming attractions. Can you believe it? It's already week 5. So here's what we're going to be covering in week 5. You should be looking forward to learning more about your client. It's really important that you keep looking into how to diagnose the problem that the client is facing. Is the client on top of it? Or is it something that you're seeing that maybe the client isn't? Remember, fresh eyes can make such a difference. This is also a time to consider organizational challenges that haven't been considered. How do we factor in COVID? How do we factor in the massive changes in our world around us? And then I want you to consider the role of data and consider ethics. It's really important. How are we going to maintain any records of students? How are we going to handle portfolio? Whatever your issue is that you're working on, have we really looked at it and considered the new times? In terms of what you're going to do this week, you have approximately 19 pages to read, and there's a short video to watch. This is a week when you're going to do a discussion. Don't let that discussion go by. You need to make sure that you do it because that's going to guarantee you a better grade. Well, I think that's about all that's coming up. If there's any questions, feel free to call me. Take care.